Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The spot healing brush is very similar to the healing brush tool and is great for very small fixes instead of large areas. One major difference is that you don't specify a sampling source. Instead, it takes a sample from around the area to be retouched as its source. To use this tool, select the Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbox and the Tool Options bar, and set your desired options in the Tool Options bar. In this case, Proximity Match means it will sample pixels around the edge of the selection. Create Texture takes Proximity Match one step further by sampling all the pixels in the selection to create a texture to fix the flaw. The Content Aware option is a great option for removing objects from an image, as Elements replaces what you paint over with content matching the surrounding pixels. If needed, you can check the Sample All Layers checkbox to sample and repair from all the layers in the image. After choosing the settings, click or click and drag on the area in the image to repair.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.